man arise.
I tell you, I wish we could enjoy like this every day by day. Let me say, person don't go die again.
Okay, enjoy. You don't even ask me how the thing take come.
Okay.
I wish you could enjoy that. Ask me how the thing take come.
Na longer throat. Sorry, na throat. How the thing take come, sef?
Now the money from that philosopher.
Right?
Philosopher, I suffer am today. I go off that semo. Where water they take enter, go the whole house. That semo for back. I see enter bathroom to back. I off that semo.
Right.
You can't come out. I tell her say the whole water for inside don't finish. Say make I go pump water. I say there is no disease where they take put for lister. I ain't gonna say we need to buy. As small madam call rescue and come give me money. Say make I go buy the disease. And then that money for the disease, I take buy this.
Me now, no be smart, you know. Hey, that if you know where don't suffer. If you know, you go suffer where. Now you come buy this food. This food is very delicious. Hey, hey.
Chineke meu.
Kaka.
Una dey enjoy you.
My work to mbia.
They make me never see una for kitchen.
What will they do there? Nemo na so. Me ku ndị mmadụ anọnga. Na akọ ya ka nga anyị na akọ azụ mara mma ọkụkọ. How are you, Jade? Waiting.
What do they cover?
Why no go cover am? You want egbe na ufu. Ufu no nga ebu mkpụrụ rice m so buri ya nane. I have to cover it. Let me talk finish. Then I will open eye. Ah!
Wait you.
Now wow.
Pius, I see the color of that chicken.
There's no around here. Now a day here color. There's no color. Yeah. Yeah, Moka Ghana gate to go. Go
open the gate for me, yeah?
Go punish your landlord. You see where person they enjoy. Me I go up gate. I go die for gate. They bomb me gate. What did they worry you? I beg you go market. You want go? We use to open that gate.
I don't go market. Now what for now? But you know good.
I'm not farmer.
It's really
good you one.
Now what for two of you?
Uncle Payo until I come.
Why you ufu?
I'm not farmer. To God who born me and you now. This food now we go finish up for here now. What did they worry you? You shop winch? Wait, because I keep quiet, I should divert on one side. You know, you don't define my throne for this house. I just keep quiet for you. You can't be near I divert to one side. No provoke me, oh. Waiting now.
For my food. Why take better man call you say come join me. Give an answer, man. You won't beat me on top of my food. Hey!
Sorry, no.
That's a caronio, yes.
No verse. I don't know when the thing comes from my body. The thing they check me for.
Caronio, yes. We made it over with the cow.
Why else? No, the only better food when you don't chop for this house. Now they carry the come so.
They go over John Shama, go stay there chop them.
Now who be that? If you knock once, you wait. What that they use on the knock? They carry hammer, they come to your house. Now who be that? Who you be? Where they come from? Where they go? What you be on? What's your papa name?
Oh, I'm Lizzie's friend.
Lizzie, what?
Friend.
Boyfriend, I've been a just friend.
We are just friends. Platonic one.
Pangen. Here. You are just friend and you spray perfume come. You even comb your hair. You say you're just friend. Talk through, make you dey near to kingdom of God. I wanna go they use my hand, they invite the devil.
See, instead of all these questions, why not walk in there and confirm from Lizzie?
Grammatically English spoken. I don't hear you. You don't carry degree from this one, Abi. I better go outside, go stay. They speak grammar for me.
Honey, I understand perfectly. Yes, I do. Are you saying that you don't want to visit the home at all? Okay, tell me. How do you want it? Okay, how about Dino Hotel? First choice. It's okay by me. Your wish is always my command. So tell me, are we seeing tomorrow? In 2 days? It's okay by me. Your wish is always my command. Anyways, we'll keep talking. Never break the communication. I'll come and pick you up and start from there. All right. See you then.
Okay, madam.
Ray, you come here. Where's my visitor?
You be like say you don't go.
Right now. Open the gate. Make it quiet. I see moving. Open the gate now.
Crystal.
How dare you? What is it? Stupid. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, Juan. Are you okay? I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Please don't mind this lunatic.
It's okay, but you guys really need to do something about this idiot.
It's okay. You don't have to deal with him. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about this. Sorry. Come on. This is ridiculous. I'm not going to sorry about this stupid guy. I'm sorry about that. How does your...
That's how they behave in this house. I am sick and tired of these employees. They drive me crazy.
Seriously, I understand. I truly do understand.
Hello.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Juan, that's Mr. Philosopher. He's the one educating the employee out here. And Mr. Philosopher, that's Juan, my friend. He's visiting.
Oh, it's nice meeting you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, thank you.
I hope she is taking good care of you.
Very well, sir.
Okay, yeah. Sure.
Very good.
So, yeah, he's amazing. Very intelligent. So, what would you like to eat? Would you like to eat anything at all?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind something light.
Okay.
But seriously, I'm famished.
Oh, really? Okay, hang on 1 second. Carol? Carol?
Yes, ma'am.
Please come over here. So my guest, I want you to prepare something for my guest. Ask him whatever he wants. Please provide that for him.
Oga, I beg, what do you want?
Please, can I have noodles and chicken pepper soup?
Okay.
All right.
Can you make that?
Well, madam. I sabi am well.
Oh, make sure you don't disappoint. Make it real nice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Really, you guys have a good cook here.
Oh yeah, she's doing her best. She can do better.
Pius, I beg, get what I want me help you to.
Any problem for us?
Pius, I beg, I want cook chicken pepper soup, no beans. May you teach me?
No bees.
Hey, no beans.
No bees, no be that my uncle where they snap photo for village. Wetin concern no bees concern chicken na pepper.
No be that one, nah. That thing, nah. That chicken pepper soup.
Oh, Oh, no doom.
No doom.
You see your life. I tell you, say the place where you supposed there now one shrine for one typical village. They go just walk the Waganga hotel. People go come there worship you. And I prog shala. I need to go. Oh, then you go why? You need to bully Hanu. For the night, I go now.
Wait, you want to teach me? I been no one teach me.
Wait, Joe. Something where you know you go shout on top. Chicken pepper soup no be so. Enter kitchen now. Carry water for fire. Go. Milk na asap patrok. Oji man and lack patrok. Piam. With that nobus. Would you like an email? Carry pepper. Wom. Carry chicken. Wom. Tuonga jegari futoye. We got a hand for a buputa. Chicken pepper soup no bis.
Just like that.
Or done.
My go do another. I go bring for you, yeah? Let me go eat, Abi.
Yes.
I come. My do my come. No.
Even if you no reach me, I no mind here.
No, I go bring for you.
Hey! Everybody wey dey this house na F9. F9. Our madam own na the worst. She don't look mirror. Manya bam can we pray? Nya ihe n'ọnụ, nya order. Azaya yes ma. That's all. Her daughter own, that one na oyibo busu. Give go na ebe ka busu. Bios. That's all. And the pity man will go marry am. Any day why I hear say she don't dey marry, he ain't so oga wey wan marry am. Chairman, congratulations. Human being wet busu. Yaganga hanga brebe. See this one, my way come say she come rescue us. Now the worst. The only thing where she sabi now. In fact, this I be you self, Karu. I no go dey cook. Every morning give up to sheme. Chineke nyinege every endowment below your way, your chest. Gonna apajiro on your 1 liter. I na why na ngone 2 years. Here atala gi nwere onwe. Stupid girl. You want cook no beast. You get say my camera. Foolish in America. Every day rain. Every go na. If not for small thing, I go say every look. What would you move?
Hey.
Hi.
How you enjoying the food?
Oh, she really did well. She did perfectly well. Just that she added a lot of pepper.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I don't even like pepper either. Do you want her to make something else for you?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Please, can you show me your restroom?
Definitely. Come on, let me show you.
Okay.
Ayos, yawa don gas.
Wetin happen? Talk.
You see that food where I give that guy record? That guy go enter toilet, tired. See as they rush, they see they rush go heaven.
Wetin you talk?
Na the food now.
That food where you cook am as I take care of you.
Wow.
No be underwater. That boy don dey watch before you enter this compound. How you go be say food wey you just cook? Abi put poison in soup?
Me. You no trust Caroline again?
See, no put poison just go and last. Nothing go happen. Na poison, na so the thing wey you get poison maybe. People just know really you are going here one. How you should try and have fear and go on some. In fact, that food wey you chop, na go be that. Ojo no. People dey use money go buy am for you, go buy am for you, buy am for so many places. Now you don't give am free of charge. You should go and that go only share the thing and now come on.
See, me I dey fear. I don't want people to come put water for my head. I don't want to lose my work. I dey fear.
Carol, stop that talk. Fear waiting. Put wahara. Where is the wahara? Wahara no dey this house. Okay? No wahara. Just go, until the happen. The boy will get fine. You know? You will get fine.
Okay, now go back to the kitchen.
Don't be the same thing where we dey chop here. You don't die. I'll take a for some
Now go back to the kitchen.
They will issue with them. Be careful.
Okay, bye.
See,
Yeah.
I will come pick. If the thing continue, tell me I will come pick. Oh?
Okay.
Hey, you see, play out. One man, who you any free? You throw away a hawk. Who broke away your placenta?
What did you use to prepare the food?
Small madam, I swear now the normal ingredients when they take cook, then they take cook.
Normal ingredients, and he's been to the restroom up to 4 times?
Yes, madam.
What are the ingredients you used?
Madam, now pepper, onions, I can't add them 7 Maggi. The thing no contest out well. I can't add them 3, making it 10.
What?
10 Maggi in one food?
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
does that? Oh my God, Karen, you will kill me. Oh Lord.
You say how many Maggi?
10 oh.
Now you cause am now. Why you go put 10 Maggi? The food no balance. 10 Maggi? Now you cause am now. 10 Maggi, what you go do? This kind food now 15 pieces of Maggi for food inside. The thing go balance. She been a balance diet to do. Did you put curry? You see am now. You see am now. What of Chang? Moringa pan. Water leaf. You don't put any vegetable. Now you cause am. What of ehuru? Oh, catch a bulano. Now you cause everything. If say you put ehuru, the ehuru go make am yani chayote. Ehuru. Oh, na menu era. Ebe o. Heat the boiler the papa AC the on. E ba chapro to of mama go chai. Hope your hands is clean and well.
Would you get out of here?
Oh, them. Hey. Oh, Ndon namdo. Like that.
Do you want us to take you to the hospital?
No, I'm gonna be fine.
Madam, I suggest that we will go to town for ya.
What did I tell you? I said get out.
Hey.
Are you okay?
Madam, like I said before, as she used 10 Maggi, and the thing no do, like I said, balanced diet supposed to take 15. The remaining 5, I must share open and make it lick like chocolate. Oh, a barag me again, you want lick which one you want? Because this is where they do you. Very soon, you placenta guy wash it.
I said get out of here. Get out.
Yes, ma'am.
What's wrong with these people here?
Do you want to go to the hospital?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna be fine.
So we just happy. What happened?
While are they inside though?
Eh?
You know they hear waiting they happen.
Waiting to happen.
All this water when they come down from pipe. Now it is here now for waiting. That fine yellow boy where fine small madam come. Since where the boy come inside, can't chop that food where Carol eat finish. Now so toilet. You don't visit toilet more than 10 times.
Who do?
You know I enter inside now the last one. Now you go flock out of foam. Whoa! Say hey, crusade abakola. Carol go keep us no. Carol go keep us. Which kind of food be that?
That thing we see no be Carol do amu.
Huh?
Na me do am. Na when I see say Carol don dey cook in food, now I go put am nyo or no prepare come to area.
Wait oh, you put area on you?
Na.
What didn't do you?
If you see the kind slap where that boy make Madam Pikin slap me today, he slapped me finish even. Na star now I dey see my eyes since why I sit down for year my ear still dey do me wuru.
Wait, small madam slap you?
If you see slap
because of this one,
I rotate 3 times before I realize where I dey.
what did that happen, sef? Oga go beat us because of woman. Small madam kwan Kenya, makano she alabeke a lot because she come back from Obodo Igbo. She go come slap.
Okay, madam, which hospital now they go? Are you in labor, Oga?
Is that your problem? Come on, would you open the gate? hope you're able to go to the hospital. This is ridiculous. Oh my God.
Madam, why the nurse they leak? How many months pregnant in car?
If you ask me that question again, I'ma strangle you to death. Get back to your duty.
Now what if I'm not in get? You see, next time when you come here, don't what happen now in a small case. You can get ready on the showroom next time when you come here. Okay, be making mamora.
Nah, why did my Paula do man in level? She don't come out.
She don't go.
Hey, babe.
She don't go.
Nah, me, it was science and wonder. It was science and wonder.
You will not understand.
I just stayed there, the peep. Is that somewhere, Madi? Would you check? Would you take? Cover the nyash. Take this one, carry the placenta. Very soon, the next one will come here.
Pampas, okay.
You know, I'm beginning to appreciate your cooking skill. It seems to be a good tool to dismantle my enemy. You see what you did today? That's nincompoop that came. That nincompoop that came. Anytime a guy comes to visit Lizzie, give them food like this, food that will destroy their stomach.
Oh.
See, let me tell you, if you continue to behave like this, I will always treat you well. You will not lack anything.
Now me teach him how to cook. Now me tell him to make you put pepper, put water, put everything, put broccata boom. Now me teach him.
Now me put something. We make the belly they do japoro. Oh more, take us in Diego. The money was given on to me.
Okay. So yeah, it's obvious that we are now a team. So let us always work together. Have this for now, okay? I'll have more for you guys.
More danger ahead. Oh. More danger ahead.
I don't know if this guy do though.
As if they do like this, the problem no fit there. Why your face be like that? See, no be me that they squeeze face for. If you like to do face like this, I go help you squeeze them. You no go ever see husband marry. I can get mad that you bring my own money, give it to me. Because now me tell you how to cook that chicken pepper soup. Now me tell you to cook that noodle pepper soup. Put them pepper, put them water, put the chicken, urokata worm. Yeah. So please, jejely, give me my own share.
Which money? Eh?
Huh?
Una don't forget say na me cook am.
Wait. Since where we dey eat your food where you dey cook for this house, shey money don come out? If not be the contribution wey me and Pius will bring, it is that thing go work. How many times your food don't bring out money for this compound? Don't let
me vex so. Because if I vex, you no go like me.
See my tell una, here na my territory. Here na my territory.
How here take be your toilet? No, tell me how here take be your toilet.
You go be your mortuary now.
Woo! If you no give me that money, two of us go join hand cook your burial food here now. I will chaff. Your own chaff I will professional
that
chaff.
Food na me cook am. I don't know wetin I dey talk.
No, who come bring idea?
I don't know. That one no concern me.
Who bring idea?
Money na my money.
Na your money, your money. Give me
the money.
Which money?
Give me.
Mata put this cabin go.
I'm a hipogapa.
Mata put this cabin.
I understand what you're saying, but you just need to give me time, okay? Yeah. I need time to pull out the money. Yeah, okay, let me explain this to you now, okay? They're selling the property tomorrow, and I've convinced him, I've done my best so he could bring it in cash, right? Yes, exactly. Yes. So I just need time to pull it out of the house. Yes, just give me time. Okay? It's going to work out perfectly well.
Hey, babe.
Oh, okay, yeah. Please. Just tell the man to be patient, okay? Please. If I have this money, I would have paid off since. Tell the man to be patient, okay? Thank you.
And who's that?
Babe, you already know. My sister. Oh, but never mind, baby. What did they say about the complaint?
They're coming to fix it.
That's good. So I think it's time to freshen up. And I'll join you soon, yeah?
What is it?
Yes, madam. Madam, you get wetin I wan tell you.
It's so shameful. After all this while, none of you can speak good English.
Sorry, madam. Yes, madam. Madam, that English heavy for my mouth too. I don't try my dey speak am. They no dey agree my dey speak am well.
You just repeated yourself after my complaint. I don't want to believe that I'm wasting my money for you people to be better.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry for yourself.
Madam, but now I'm Oga Philo.
What about him?
Yes, madam. Madam, every day I sweep room. Oga Philo.
Carol.
Yes, madam.
I don't understand the nonsense you are vomiting.
Madam, every night people sleep. Oga Philo room enter, come out. Enter, come out, madam.
I am not in for your stupidity today.
Yes, madam.
As you can see, I'm very busy and I want to concentrate on what I'm doing.
But ma, I see you.
Get out!
Yes, madam. Sorry, madam.
Anyway, as you don't talk am, they no agree. Leave her.
My leave am.
Before uncle, you go fight am.
Pius, I tell you, since when madam travel, if I tell you wetin my eye dey see for this upstairs, hey, you go pity me o.
No vex. How many times you don't see him enter that room?
7 times in 3 days.
Hey, listen them. 7 times
in 3 days, oh.
Under 3 days.
I swear.
Hey, British Abala Germany, I get away.
Pious.
Wait, oh. Person where they don't chop 7 times for 3 days. Yeah, small madam don't they open. What take over the fufro? Really about the yagre fufro. Hi, one mother got see here call again. The mama don't too hold am every day is human day inside. Now where she don't see opportunity. Go did he hoge come base what a criminal quanaga namdi war. Them 3 way.
Pious, see my tell you. If you see the ringing tone, if you see the ringing tone,
tell me.
You see a small madam they do like cat when never grow well. She do like No, now, ma. Oh, they do like carpenter own, like that our dog where they back. Go on, they do.
This sound down, banana, can it?
See, this is how you talk, na small thing. If you hear my own, just one day try come up my room. Make I want my radio. ABC over there, you gonna no. I gotta go ringa. Hey, India wote, him net. You go like my tune. Just try me one day.
I don't want to commit murder because if I come there now, you say Carol don't commit murder. I don't want to commit murder.
Look at you. If I tell you people I don't handle before, this thing I mean just that time why they come. Before they go like me. See, let me tell you. The thing what can sign this girl and this family. Come out your mind. Come out your hand. As you don't talk, they know here, you know concern.
Yes.
Leave the dead, when they bury the living.
Payo, since why I know you? Since why I know you, we don't work for you. Now the better English, you don't speak with this you. I don't hold them, I don't grab them. This English now. If I enter inside now, I go know whether I go feel they talk and make me understand them too. They go might go do something inside kitchen here.
Pius, they go. I don't want to commit murder. They go. You they go. Pius, they go.
For your mind now, you don't insult me. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.
Love you guys.